Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're gonna create the typewrite effect on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript based project. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fantastic, I think, for most of you, which you are very curious about it. And let's get started and see what we're gonna get together. So by the first, I just download a picture from pexels.com. It's a beach picture here, as you can see, and I'm gonna import it inside my project. And let's insert the basics. Put the index.html, put the style, which we're gonna style the page with CSS and etc. And put also our app.js, which we're gonna create the typewrite effect and write like letter by letter and so on. And finally create a folder with name of image, which we're gonna put the beach image into this folder here. Nice. Let's make it full screen and style our basics here. Great. Okay, we are recording. That's perfect. And name the document type writer. Okay. Let's put our style.css file here. And put our app.js file by the script and with source of /app.js. JS. Perfect. Let me see why we cannot find the file here. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, that's perfect, great. And here I'm gonna put a div with a class name of pointer, which is gonna be our pointer, and blink on the screen and write letter by letter and create the kind of typewrite effect. Let me here. Press save, open it with the live server here and see what we are doing. Go to our style.css and make the basic margin, it's 0, padding, it's 0, the box sizing, it's border box, okay. Go to the body and style a little bit, let's say min height will be 100 view height, and the background will be our beach URL, which we're gonna get it from images inside creep. Okay, no repeat, that's good. Background size, say cover, great. And background position, it will be center. That's perfect. Let's grab our pointer and style it a little bit. The position will be absolute. In order to move it inside our HTML, we have to put the position absolute. Let's grab it and say it, top will be 50% for the beginning. Oops, sorry. 50%. Left will be 50%. Translate will be minus 50% for the X and Y axis in order to make it to the center of the screen. Okay. Let me see what else we have here. I'm gonna get pointer, put the after and put the blink. I'm gonna insert and content. Position will be absolute. Okay. The width will be 2 pixels. The height of this will be 30 pixels. Okay. And background color will be black. And here it is, as you can see. It's our pointer here, and I will put some animation here. I will say blink effect. Okay. Let's say will be for 300 milliseconds, and will be ease, alternate, and infinite. Let's come here out and put the keyframes for our animation. It will be blink. That's great. And will be from 2. Oops, sorry. I have to select everything here. 2. Oh my god, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this? Okay. Come here, put the opacity of 1, go to opacity 0, and so on. As you can see now, it's blinking into the middle of the screen, right? It's great. I'm gonna put here also a little bit of minimum width of 50%. And the left will be 60%. That's better. Okay. Our CSS styling, it's over. Now we are coming to the app.js file, and let's go and see what we have. Let's say we are getting the pointer as usual, document.querySelector will be our pointer class. Okay. And const, we're gonna have an array of words which we're gonna take each word by the order of the index, and we're gonna slice it to the letter by letter, and we're gonna add it to our pointer class letter by letter by the interval of 300 milliseconds. And now we're creating our array. Uppercase, take your time for a dream trip, and book now in order to obtain good prices. Prepare your sunscreen. Okay. We have also our variables of word index. Okay, will be 0, and our index, which we're gonna loop each letter, will be 0. And now we are setting the intervals. Will be arrow function, and here will be, let me see, will be how many milliseconds? 300. Okay, that's good. So what we have here, let current word, okay, current word will be equal with the word, okay, and will be words with the index of word index, okay, word index here. Can we do the slice here? Ah, yeah, we can do it. Slice from 0, and we're gonna say index plus plus, and then we are gonna add it to our pointer class, text pointed. Let's see if we're gonna do it like this. Everything is blinking. Okay. Okay, that's great. Now I don't want this effective here, but I want this to be into my, where is the pointer? Not here, but I want this to be here. Okay, let's have it one more time. Yeah, that's better, but I'm gonna make a little bit font size bigger than this. Font size will be 2M. Okay, that's better. Refresh it. Take your time for a dream trip. Okay, that's good. But if as soon as I go to the no error I'm getting. Okay, what's next? What happens when I reach the index of my current word length? What is going on? If we say our index equals to current word dot length, then what happens? We say word index equals say plus plus, and then the index equals again by the 0. Let's see if this will work. Take your time for a dream trip. Okay, it doesn't work. So what we can do, I'm taking this from here, okay? I'm taking the current word, and then I'm gonna make another variable. I'm gonna say letter, okay? And in this letter, I'm gonna say current word dot slice starts from 0 index and go to the index plus plus, and we are inserting our letters. Take your time for a dream trip. Yes. And now it's working perfectly. Obtain good prices. Prepare your sunscreen. That's good. Let me see something. Take your time for a dream trip. Oops. Our letter at the end, it's not visible, so we add here, and then we are adding the index, increasing the index by 1. Dream trip, yes, it's now okay. So what else remains to add to the project? So what happens when we our word index reaches the length of the words? Let's add this also. If word index equals to words, okay, dot length, then something must be equals to 0 again. Word index equals to 0, and again index equals to 0. And let's see what's going on here. Once again, take your time for dream trip. Book now in order obtain good price. Yes, prepare your sunscreen. And it goes as soon as the word index reaches the word length of our array, it goes again by the 0 and increases on and on for the infinite time. I'm gonna stay a little bit this more for okay, pointer. The font weight will be bolder, a little bit bold, okay. Also, I don't like this. I'm gonna download Google Fonts. I'm gonna download Poppins. It's my favorite, you know. Poppins, Yes, that's better. I'm gonna, yeah, that's good. I bet this to my project. Yes, here. Also this font family into my CSS folder, sorry. Hit save, and see what's going on here. Oops. I assume I have this problem here now. CSS, I'm gonna make a little bit pixels. Yeah. Take your time for a dream trip. Book now in order obtain good prices. Prepare your sunscreen. And it goes so on. So that was the project. It was very short, it was very simple. You can do it as you want to design it. This is your imagination. I wanted to make it a little bit different, if you can. And please leave comments what you want to see for our next project, which will be in a short while. And please like this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me as my channel start to grow very it's very young channel. And thanks for watching for this video, and see you next time. Bye.